so that can walk in peace. And I can promise you that I will do my best to deliver on my promises. We will work for a federal system that is just, fair, with justice, and I hope that we will have peace in Mindanao for all time. I'm doing this for our people and for the generations to come. I plead to you, to Maria Sison, let us talk about peace. Then I address myself, itong maingay dyan sa armed forces, ito I do not know the guy, pati si Trillanes, these are the guys who are really very constricted dito. They ought not to be an officer sa armed forces. You know, meron dyan maingay, you cannot build this nation. You cannot build a nation by hate. We cannot build a nation by going to war with everybody. There has to be a time when we will have to talk, because we cannot fight forever and kill each other forever. Ito yung mga official, hindi Trillanes. Who wants to be vice president? Kita ko mo presidente yan. Tigira puro. Baka akalain na komunista ko. I am not a communist. I have never been a communist. But I'm a socialist. I belong to the left. I am the first president who comes from the left. So what's wrong with that? I've been mayor of Davao City for 22 years. May nakita ba ko isang kadre dito na NPA naglalakad na may baril? So look at Davao. So that is my contribution to my country. Itong mga to, daldal ng daldal, misplaced naman ang mga prinsipyo. Paano ka? Look guys, insurgency problem started in 1970, itong NPA. Let me ask you now, bakit hanggang ngayon napupatayan tayo sa bayan? Kayanin natin. End it immediately. We'll be spending money, losing lives, both sa... Tapos, dakdak kayo ng dakdak. Putang ina ninyo, wala namang kayo ginawa. Eh, bakit kayo magsabi, galit kayo? Have you ended war? 1970 pa to. I first heard Maria Sison talk in Intramuros, 1970. 1970 nag-umpisa, putang ina. Ngayon magalit kayo. So, is there an end to this war? During your term, gumaduate kayo ng PMA, tapos ganun kayo magsalita. If you want run for president of this country, kayo magdala. Otherwise, shut up.